I just got this super fatty Hudson Valley Steelhead Trout, and we're gonna make some nigiri. Let me show you how to slice it. We have our Steelhead Trout ready for sushi, and we're gonna do a couple things to make sure that we prepare it for the best possible bites. So on this side right here, we have the kind of the darker meat, and we're just gonna take our knife and we're gonna draw a line here, and we're just gonna slice this off just like so. We don't want to take too much off, we just want to take a little bit so we get down to this beautiful color. From here, this is the round side. We're just gonna flip it over so it's on the flat side. We're gonna turn it about a 45-degree angle in relationship to our body. With our knife, we're gonna pinch it with our thumb and middle finger and using our index finger as a pointer to draw the knife through the fish. We're gonna go from heel to tip. We're just gonna pull nice and easy. And once we get to the bottom, we're gonna turn up about 15 degrees and draw through the fish. This will give us this really gorgeous beauty line. Try that again. One more time.